Hello, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a tutorial on iMovie. It's an app that I have. So what you want to do is go to the App Store, which is happening right now. Then search up iMovie. IE. Once you have done that, press search. And then when you see it, download it and press open. Once you have opened it, press the plus button, which I will do now. Press movie, then press create movie. Then press the plus button, go to camera, and you can record yourself. Hey. So, yeah, that's me. And you can, once you have it, you can do all sorts of things. You can duplicate it, you can delete it, you can pretty much do anything with it. You can turn it slow, you can turn it fast, which I'm showing you all those in a few seconds. Well, really, right now. So, yeah, please subscribe to my channel and go to CL123 Tricks channel. He has a good channel. Yes, when he gets to 30 subscribers, that would be amazing for him. And me, I need 30 subscribers too. Thank you if you can get that. So you can type anything really here. You can write text, you can slow it down. It's just the best thing you could ever have. So, yes. Hope you have enjoyed. When you're done with this, just press back. And you know how some of you, something sad happens? You want to change it gray? Just do that, and then you're done. So, bye, guys.